Welcome to Leadlife. Today we're taking you through the Leadlife dashboard. Are you ready to explore the Leadlife dashboard and learn how to use it? Let's get started. So what is the Leadlife dashboard? The Leadlife dashboard collects your most important lifestyle data and brings them together in a clear way. This allows you to see at a glance how you are doing and how you can optimize your lifestyle. You will find it on the homepage of the Leadlife application. Here you can get an overview of your lifestyle and well-being divided into 7 pillars: body, stress, sleep, move, mind, food, and overall health. So how do you fill your dashboard with data? This can be done in 3 ways. The first way is by filling in questionnaires. You can find these in the Learn section. A second option is by performing specific measurements offered by Leadlife. You can find these in the catalog. Finally, as a Plus member, you can connect your wearable if it's supported by Leadlife. Are you wearing a wearable and have you already connected it with the Leadlife app? Then the Leadlife app automatically starts collecting your data and your weekly averages are analyzed. This helps you identify trends without being distracted by daily fluctuations. Our goal is not to replace your wearable, but to complement it. Data is updated weekly during the night of Sunday to Monday. You can find these results at the data items where there is a wearable icon. Let's return to the home page for a moment. At the top right of your dashboard, you can see your Leadlife score. You will see your current score along the left-hand side and your goal score on the right-hand side. In this example, the current score is 6.6 out of 10. This score is based on your data, more specifically the individual scores per lifestyle pillar. The goal score here is 9.8 out of 10. This is the highest possible score you can achieve, based on your age, gender, and if available, your genetic predisposition. Also note that the Leadlife score is calculated only when data is available for at least 5 lifestyle pillars. This is to display your score as accurately as possible. And do you see the number in the middle of the circle? This is the Leadlife age. The Leadlife age is an age we derive from your Leadlife score. So it's not your biological age, but a reflection of how well your body and mind are doing based on your lifestyle. The higher your score, the younger your Leadlife age, which means you make healthier choices. Feel free to click further on one of the lifestyle pillars. For example, food. Here you can see with keywords how you score within each pillar and its corresponding subcategories. And do you see the colors? They visually represent how you are doing. Green data, that means you are doing well. Orange or red data, that's where your opportunities to improve lie. Do you see blue data? That means this information has no impact on your Leadlife score. This could be, for example, a neutral result or just a factoid. Would you like to read more about one of your results? Then click on the data item and find out what it means and how you can improve your score. Moreover, if you had the measurement taken several times, or if you filled in a certain questionnaire again, you can follow your evolution over time. This helps you understand which choices and habits have a positive effect on your lifestyle. Have you taken a blood or DNA test at Leadlife? Then you can also find those results in your dashboard in 2 ways. Find them either within the lifestyle pillars or view them clearly in the DNA and blood section. Now it's your turn. Go to your dashboard, discover your scores and see where you can improve. Click through, learn and optimize your lifestyle. Do you still have questions? Feel free to contact us via the chat at the bottom right. Good luck!